Welcome back, Homebodies. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. If this is your first time joining me, my name is Shannon, Miss Smith if you please, and over here at the Home Life we like to focus on full-time homemaking and part-time business owning. Today I am just doing my regular momming, like regular stay-at-home mom duties. My favorite way to start the day is always in the garden. Like, I don't think there's anything better than playing in dirt and planting flowers and trees and all of the things. So this morning I have some gladioluses, lilies, and elephant ear that I want to get in the ground because the ground is warming up and I am super excited. I already put in my Dusty Miller. One of my lamb's ear was not really doing too hot, so I cut her all the way back to the ground and she is doing fantastic now. The dirt that I'm spreading right now is treated with neem oil, and I wanted to do it this way because for some reason sometimes when I get seeds or like pods from the garden center, they already have like a gnat infestation, and so if I treat the dirt that goes on the top with neem oil, that kind of eliminates those gnats and whatnot sprouting up and really just ruining my harvest. So there's that. So considering that this is my favorite part, I know it's going to be your favorite part to not hear me talk but to just watch me work. So we're going to relax to some music and get this done. The chickens are directly behind this fence, and literally those heifers dug out my dirt immediately. When I say it's a hole back in the same spot, I was like, what? shifting gears back into the house, I'm going to start off with making my bed, because any self-respecting mom has a crap ton of laundry to do all the time. So I am no different. I am not exempt from the rules of laundry. Although I would like to be, I am not. This is a weighted blanket that I am putting between the coverlet and the flat sheet. I don't know about you, but my husband keeps this house ice cold year round, and I can't tolerate it. So I have a 12-pound weighted blanket that keeps me happy and helps me sleep. My favorite part of laundry is actually ironing the sheets. I do think I'm going to invest in a steamer so that I can like steam the bedding as I go. But this is the way that I've been doing it for a few years now. I just lay it out on this ironing board that my husband made me, spray water, and I just take a hot iron and go over it. And I do this so that they sit nicely in the closet. It's just like a thing to have freshly pressed sheets on the bed. Like, it just feels so luxurious. Like, if you haven't done it, try to incorporate it on like your pampering treatment. You will not be disappointed. Now, for the fitted sheet, the whole goal is to knock as many wrinkles out as possible. It is not perfection. It is just the reality of attempting to get the wrinkles out, because I want this to lay flat in the closet so that it looks neater. I don't like balled up like nothing, okay? So I do not take it and then ball it up and then throw it in the closet. No, this is the process, and this is how we living over here in the Smith household. I did take a lunch break right before I whisked my daughter and her friend off to the park, which surprisingly was amazing. I managed to get in 3 miles and it felt good, you know? Last but not least, it is time to make dinner. This night, I think I made baked chicken, sweet potato souffle, deviled eggs, and I want to say green bean casserole. Yeah, that is exactly what I made. And I thoroughly enjoyed my time in the kitchen because it's a thing. Why should we have to wait to Sunday to have a good cooked meal? As far as the home life goes, seriously, everybody that's anybody that sits at my table loves to have a hot, cooked, fresh meal. So I am more than happy to oblige, and I love it. I do. It's a thing. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. I truly enjoyed spending the day with you guys. I will be putting out more footage like this because seriously, I love these kind of videos. Like, I love to see other homemakers being homemakers. So let me know what your favorite content is that I put out. All right, homebodies, love you.